Hi everyone, and welcome to day 19 of Live Well with Marissa at Home. Thank you so much for joining me through the journey of all of these videos together and making our way towards the end of the month. Today we're going to be doing a low back release. So we're going to do a few exercises for our low back. And if you want to dive deeper into this, I have a couple other videos on my YouTube channel specifically for the low back that you can find under Yoga for Athletes or Yoga playlist. If you ever have trouble finding anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help you find specific videos. All right, let's get started on helping our low back feel healthy and good. So hands and knees is the start to the practice. Exhale, you're gonna send your hips back to your heels. Good, you can take your hands around the back, palms face up, and then let your shoulders curl forward over your thighs. Feel free to slowly breathe in and out. This doesn't need to be a yoga practice. This can just be, oh, this is my low back release video, not your yoga video. So focus on what we're focusing on, which is the low back, not the fact that you're doing yoga if you're normally not into it. Good. Exhale, take your arms forward with bent elbows. And then very carefully pick up your head, walk your hands forward, and then you'll raise your tail. Good, we're gonna push right, walk the hands to the left. Good, and you might wanna stay here for a while. Otherwise, we're gonna push left, walk our hands to the right. Good. Come back to center, exhale, walk the hands forward. Slowly bring your chin down to the ground or your forehead. And you may or may not be able to get here, so just kind of do what you can for your body for 3, 2, exhale, slither forward. Good. Now, notice here my shoulders are over my wrists, so I'm going to press up and walk my forearms forward. Palms are flat in Sphinx. Inhale, breath in, exhale, bend your knees. And then wag from side to side, so feel the release here in the lumbar spine. 3, 2, and 1. So imagine you're headed out on a run and your back is feeling tighter. You know your back's gonna tighten up because of your mileage. So it could be helpful to throw this in right before your run. It could be helpful to do after. Maybe before you're lifting heavy or right after you've lifted heavy. Exhale, lower down. Now put those hands where your elbows were, squeeze them in. And then inhale, come up a few inches, come up more or all the way, your choice. Notice I'm still on my hips, so I'm not in up dog. We call this cobra. Exhale, push all the way back to child's pose. Settle, settle, settle. Soften the hips. Down, down, down. Good. Inhale and exhale. Take your time. Come up to your hands and your knees. Inhale, sway the back. Look forward. Exhale, tuck. Good. Curl your toes, walk your hands back. Press into those feet, wide stance, and grab opposite elbows as you hang. You're gonna bend your right knee, hang and hold. Bend your left knee, hang and hold. Exhale, both legs straight, fold forward as your tailbone lifts up. 3, 2, release your hands to the earth. Good, roll up bone by bone by bone. Your shoulders are gonna arrive last. Good, 1, 2, and 3. Good. Now, find the middle of your mat or space. You don't even have to have a mat for today. Soften your knees and come on down. Good. We're going to hug onto one leg, so opposite hand to leg. Pull yourself across. Put your opposite hand to your hip.
So you should feel this pull in your low back and in your standing legs for 3. Don't try to get even in those hips. Let those hips move the direction you're twisting. And then on your exhale, release and release. Hold, switch, hand to low back. Yeah. And pull yourself across. So do you feel your hamstrings? Probably. But my guess is that you also feel other aspects of your body, and that's good too. Exhale, come back to center. Let's take one more forward fold. Breathe out. Good, lengthen. Now turn your toes out. Ideally, I would love if you could sink your hips down, but this may be too much, so maybe come up a little bit. Otherwise, hold deep yogi squat. Feel the length in your spine. We're going to extend out through one arm, raise the other arm. Exhale, kind of flow through that press, push, open, stretch. Good. Now, hands down, exhale, forward fold. Breathe out. Rise all the way up. And release. So again, maybe you just woke up with me, you put on your video, and you just released your back in a few short minutes. Maybe it's the end of your day, it's tight, maybe your job has you standing all day, running around. Use this. So save this in your saved videos on YouTube and allow yourself to continue to do it. Just this much care for your back can hopefully one day let it feel healthy and strong versus tired and full of pain. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to check out other videos I have that are for your back. And hopefully this gave you some sensation of relief. Thanks guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.